So guys, in this video I am going to talk about this decode.fr website. So this website is very huge and you can find so many algorithms and the encodings and decodings. You can see there are so many tools. If you click on all tools, you get the list of all tools, and you can do cryptanalysis and modern cryptography and polyalphabetic ciphers. Those are transposition cipher examples. So these are all the examples, and you can just click on any of this one and you can just encode and decode the plaintext and ciphertext. So there are so many websites. So this website contains a better list, and if you can see the character encodings, there are ASCII and barcode encodings also, and you can see also basics for encodings, and there are so many. If you are putting any CTF, make sure that if you try any of this algorithms, you can just, there are also some symbolic encryptions also. So as you can see, there are so many encodings and encryptions and decryptions, and it also has steganography. We will talk about it later. And you can see there are a lot more tools here, and if you click on history, then you can check out some numerology. Okay, I don't know this one. So Egyptian numerals, and there will be like these numerals, and you can convert this into the ciphertext, and you can send that numerals to your receiver. And let's try our Caesar cipher. So it is Caesar cipher. Now let's encode so my name is Nikhil, so let's encode with the key 23. So encrypt by Caesar code. Now this is my encrypted code. Now what I want to do is I will copy this. Now what I want to do is I will click on this test all possible shifts. So because there are only 26 keys, we can just decrypt every other key. So I have got all these keys, all these plain text brute force results, and in that one of this and one sentence contains a meaningful, and my name is Nikhil. So in this way we can decrypt Caesar cipher. And I want to show you another website, that is CodeChef. So sorry, not this one. What I'm even typing, that is okay, Crypti website, and in this website you can see so many decodings, and you can see these are all the encodings and decodings this Crypti website provides. So there is another website that is okay, that it will automatically tries to do some decryptions. Yeah, this is CyberChef. Okay, I'm very confused between this CodeChef and CyberChef. So what you want to do is you want to put the input here. Okay, let's say this and this sample input, and you need to do drag and drop this encoding. So if I want to say encryption, I want to encrypt this using these encryptions, I can just say ROT13 and I can simply paste it in here. So automatically the output, this algorithm will be applied on this input, and then output will be displayed. And you can also delete this one, and you can also check the Morse code, and here there will be magic tool. You can also convert this into the plain text. So you can also use the Wigner cipher. So we need to enter the key. Sorry. Okay, like this way, these are some few websites which helps you in cryptography CTFs. Make sure you check all these. Just keep an idea of this. Anytime if there will be a clue in the CTF name, I mean challenge name, and then that name gives you clue that you need to apply this algorithm or this any other asymmetric or symmetric cipher. So make sure that you just know what are the encodings and encryptions are there in these websites. It will, your mind will uh, get an idea about all these, and if there will be a clue in the challenge, and by seeing that clue you get an idea that okay, this may be like this cipher. So these are three websites that are useful for crypto CTFs.